to hear about the ultimate Christmas gift. What if we could give you the gift of getting back your old body? Yes, Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medical says you might want to consider a new tummy tuck procedure. Bill, how are you today?
Good morning.
Some of us have had children. Some of us look a little bit different than maybe we used to, certainly in the abdominal region. How can we give a gift of before baby's body?
Well, there really are some great technologies out there that can make a real difference. You know, a lot of women get loose skin and really just need some skin tightening after pregnancy. And Thermage, and here's a great example of Thermage after about 6 months. And you can really see a difference. And for women that have just the loose skin, it's a real good option.
Yeah.
We just became the primary Thermage training center for the whole country.
That's a big deal.
So, yes, it really is a big deal, and we're going to be having the trainers, the people that train around the country, will be coming to us to be trained.
Wow.
So we really know what we're doing.
You guys know a thing or two about Thermage there, and that is so cool because it's immediate results and it really helps with that skin tightening.
Now, some women have seen some fat move around too. It's a big problem with the hormonal changes of pregnancy.
Sure.
So they get some fat in their tummy too. And for those, and here's a great example, Smart Lipo can really make a big difference. And we like the Smart Lipo procedure because it combines liposuction with laser skin tightening.
Yeah.
So again, we don't have trouble with the loose skin afterwards that can sometimes be a problem with standard liposuction.
Yeah, that's a good combination. When you get the skin tightening and the fat removal, I mean, that's a powerful punch.
And then for those that are just too much, and here's an example of, you just got too much for either of those technologies, then we need to go with a technology that can actually allow us to cut that skin away and tighten it up surgically.
Which is great because you can be awake during this procedure, is that right?
Yeah, we call it Awake Tummy Tuck. It's also called Avelar, after the doctor that first named it. And it begins with a liposuction procedure. So we actually go in and we liposuction the entire area so that we get it thin from top to bottom. And that really allows us to free the skin up. And then you can see us here measuring. We're going to cut all that skin away.
Wow.
What I have between my thumbs is going to be removed, and then we will sew that up and have a very flat tummy afterwards. And there's nothing, when it comes to getting flat again, there's nothing that compares to a tummy tuck type procedure.
And how about the downtime for that? Is it reduced because of the fact you are awake and you're not under anesthesia?
That helps reduce it, and the fact that rather than surgically dissecting the area, we're doing liposuction on the area.
Right.
So it really compares pretty favorably with liposuction. We leave some drain in for about 2 to 4 days, and during that time, we'll prefer the patient to kind of take it easy, stay at home. After the drains come out, most of our patients can go back to real normal activities.
Well, what speaks volumes are the before and afters. When we see the procedure and how it works, but then we see those pictures and it's really dramatic what you can do for these women.
And you can really see how that overlap, what we call redundant skin, what we used to call growing up, their pants done lapped over their belly done lapped over their pants.
We don't want unlapped skin, Dr. Bill.
And we can really see how that's so greatly reduced with doing this procedure on the before and afters.
So maybe someone wants to treat themselves to this before the holiday season is over, and you always have some good specials for us.
Yeah, between now and Christmas, we're going to offer up 10% off of all gift certificates up to $1,000.
Oh, fantastic.
And then they can use it on anything they want.
Then they can decide what part of their body they'd like to lift, separate, tighten, whatever you want to do. Well, Dr. Bill, good information. Thank you so much for being here. And if you want more information, just log on to that website. It's innovationsmedical.com, or give them a call, 972-331-8844 for a consultation. And if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, he's a nice guy. He'll email you back. Just email him at questions@innovationsmedical.com.